Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 7, day 3 of our study, and this week's topic is a way of seeing. Our scripture verse today comes from 2 Kings 6:17. And Elisha prayed, "Open his eyes, Lord, so that he may see." Then the Lord opened the servant's eyes, and he looked and saw the hills full of horses and chariots of fire all around Elisha. So again, just like the woman yesterday who her eyes were opened to see the well, do you think that the horses and chariots of fire were there and the servant just couldn't see them until the Lord opened his eyes? Like, were they physically there, or was this more of opening his eyes to spiritual things, and he was able to see in the spiritual realm of what was really there? Our quote for this week comes from Lucy Swindoll. "I'm convinced that the whole world is better when we, as individuals, capture and savor each moment as the gift that it is, embrace the challenge or joy of it, and thereby transform it with the magic of creative possibility. Life, for the most part, is what we make it. We have been given a responsibility to live it fully, joyfully, completely, and richly in whatever span of time God grants us on this earth." So we're to embrace the challenge or the joy of whatever's happening in our life, transform it with the magic of creative possibility. Boy, we've been trying that in the last few months, this creative possibility. Life for the most part is what we make it. So, live life joyfully, no matter what our circumstances really are. So our midweek kind of check-in is about a family who had a house fire. So they woke up in the night to the smell of smoke and hurried to escape through a bedroom window. Their house burned to the ground and they lost everything: clothing, jewelry, furniture, dishes, collections, family heirlooms, books, artwork, photo albums, financial records, Bibles, toys, souvenirs, trophies, stereo systems, computers, and music. Just think about all the things that are in your house that you would lose if you had a complete house fire. The accumulation of nearly 20 years of married life with all the paraphernalia that comes with raising a family, all gone in a matter of minutes. Yet, throughout the long ordeal of rebuilding a home, replacing the necessities of life, and making do without the familiar comforts of love and home, this couple was constant in their thankfulness to God. They were content with what they had because they were grateful for what they had not lost, their 4 children. So it kind of puts it in perspective, like, are all of those things what makes us who we are? Could we live if we lost everything in a fire, if we still had our family? I would like to answer that as a yes. Things can be replaced. Even those, souvenirs and those old family heirlooms, they're just things. They can be replaced, but the people in our lives can't be. So our question today, one of our questions, question 5, contentment depends on how you approach life and how you react to what life brings your way. At times, life is good. How does Solomon describe the gift of a good life in Ecclesiastes 5:19 and 20? And then question 6, at other times, life is hard. Read Job 2:7 through 10. If we're reading in Job, it's always going to be a hard life. What had become of Job's life, and what was he determined to do? So I look forward to your responses. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and as the governor says, stay home for a little while longer. So blessings to you and your family. Have a great day.